Hey guys, so today I'll be installing this brand new Pioneer stereo into my S2000 behind there, as you can see. I haven't got a stereo in there at the moment, and I wanted this stereo to work with all the units on the sides for the volume up and down and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and see if I can get all of that to work. Fingers crossed. I know a lot of people that can't get this to work, so hopefully I'll get it to work and I'll show you guys in the process as well. So that's the bad boy that's going in there. So that's what I currently have in there. Absolute fuck all. But looking at it, I think this is going to be the easiest stereo install ever. Anyway, let's open this box, shall we? So, I see in it there, blah blah blah, very pretty. Don't know the specs on it, don't really matter. I just wanted something that had DAB, but then I did some research and I realized that I have to have like a DAB antenna on the windscreen, which I really hate the look of, and I can't get DAB to work with a normal aerial. Well, at least I haven't found anything. If there is, and if you guys could let me know, that would be great. I would love to have DAB radio, but I want to use the normal antenna. I don't want anything on the windscreen, which from what I'm aware, I don't think there's anything. I'm going to be using these patch leads to see if I can get the, what do you call it, stalk multi-stalk adapter to work. I've done a lot of research on this, and a lot of people with the S2000 auto leads one, it was the X61, told me that it doesn't work. So I got myself the CRV one, which another person on Facebook actually got to work. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll actually get this one to work first try. Apparently it's very anal, so you have to follow the instructions to the T, but hopefully it will work. Right, so the stereo's ready to go in. If I wasn't going to try to get these little unit thing keys, whatever, to work, you would just get an adapter, plug it in to here, plug it into the back of the stereo, and that would be it. We'll call it a day. But now is the part that I was dreading, is get this little thing to work. So shit. So, a little update. I've been at it for like 45 minutes trying to get this little shitty patch lead to work. It doesn't work. No matter what I do, I cannot get it to work. This is for the CRV. I still have something rolled up my sleeve. I got the S2000 patch lead as well, because I bought both just in case this one wouldn't work. If you guys need to do the same thing as me with the auto leads and you haven't got this leaflet, just pause the video then and then just follow that instruction list. Hopefully it will work, but a lot of people have said if you don't follow it exactly to what it says on here, you will not get it to work. Right, so this is the S2000 one. The only difference I've noticed is that the S2000's got a relay for the mute button, which Pioneer head units don't have a mute button anyway, and the CRV is a lot cleaner without this fucking massive relay. So I've been at it for 3 hours now. I was about to give up and just put the stereo in and just call it a day, but the post has just arrived because I bought another one. I bought 3. So this is my last chance. If this doesn't work, I don't know what will. Hopefully this one works. I already removed everything out of the way and got all these shitty auto leads out. No matter what I did with the auto leads, it just would not work. It's so frustrating. So fucking frustrating. So this one's a different company. Connects to. Never heard of them. But let's give them a shot. Yes! Fucking yes! Oh, that's so good. Wow, I honestly cannot believe that I actually got this one working. Honestly, I lost all hope. I thought that was it, that they were all shite, none of them were gonna work. But this one did. So if you guys have the same issue as me, don't go for shitty auto leads. They don't work. Connects to. It worked, first try. I honestly put it in and it worked. Everything's working great. Awesome. Couldn't be any happier, man. Right, so the stereo's in. I'm here in the shade because today is such a nice day. Wasn't expecting it. I'm so glad I actually got the radio to work, man. I did not think it was gonna work. After all the negative comments I've been reading online on forums and stuff like that, I honestly didn't think it was gonna work at all. But Connects 2 did. So to save you guys a lot of time and hassle trying to get your auto leads to work, just bin that shite, get this one, it will work first try, I promise you. And I got a lot of stuff coming for the car within the next couple of weeks. I'll give you a hint just there. You have like a quick picture of it, but I'm gonna have a week off. I'm gonna try and fit everything on a car. I have so much. As I asked in the previous video whether you guys wanted me to do suspension, exhaust or intake, I just went ahead and bought all 3. So I have all of that stuff to fit in the car. Got JDM mats, I got lots of stuff. This Sunday, what is it, in like 3 days time, I'm gonna go to Japfest. I think it's gonna be such a good day. It's usually my favourite show of the year because it's got drift cars and stuff like that. So that will be coming out next week for you guys, so that will be the next Friday. And then hopefully after that I'll start working on the car and fitting the springs and fitting like that. So there's a lot coming for the S2000. It's taken its time because I had to save up a lot of money. This is a lot, it's really expensive car, but really enjoying it, loving it. Every time I drive it's just better and better. And now with the summer, no clouds, as you can see, it's gorgeous. I love this car. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. If you've stayed this far into the video and you watch all of my videos to the end, please let me know in the comments because I really appreciate it. All you guys with the positive support and stuff like that have really made me want to continue and do a lot of YouTube stuff. Thank you so much to everyone that's subscribed lately, and it really means a lot. It might not mean a lot to you, but to me it means the world. So thank you very much, and please like, comment and subscribe. Peace.